I am happy to learn that our biotechnology department, headed by Professor Krupanidhi, Professor Venkatesarlu, and Professor Abraham, conducted a conference on contemporary issue, that is artificial intelligence tool for accelerated drug discovery recently, and today is the conclusion part of the conference. At the outset, I thank the guest lecturers, Hulen, University of Kansas from America, and other guests, Shahul Hamid, for their valuable speeches and for their valuable deliberations. This is the very interesting topic in the recent times, and it is a very contemporary topic. So AI, artificial intelligence interfering in the drug discovery. And this is the future actually. There is a lot of interference of artificial intelligence, machine learning and in the health. So in the future, so the health would be totally personalized. Every individual genome or DNA is mapped, and the drugs are defined, and drugs are given as per their DNAs. So in that situation, conducting a conference on this topic is very interesting, and I thank all the participants. I learned that the participants are from many countries, from Malaysia, Singapore, and Dubai and other neighboring countries, and there are more than 100 participants from different universities, from different countries. So yes, they must have got extra information of interference of artificial intelligence into the biotechnology. So they must have got lot of benefit out of this conference. Yes, in future also I request the professors to work more in this direction. This is the, as I told you, this is the future in the health area. And now the same drug is applied for different people of the same disease, but hereafter the drugs would be different for different people based on that, their DNA. I think this will be done in the next 4 or 5 years, and an initial drive, and holding this kind of conference is a very happy part. I wish that the guest people should conduct some research on this, and also I will be more happy if our department would be participated in that kind of future research. I thank one and all the participants, guests. Many companies world over are trying to discover the drugs for COVID. I wish the drug will come out very early. But the whole problem is this drug should undergo lots of trials. So anyway, any drug gives the confidence among the common people, because most of the people are suffering more than the corona, suffering from the fear. So to remove this fear, even the normal drugs also may be sometimes helpful, but very specific drugs also, they are in the pipeline. And in India also, the Bharat Biotech and other people are doing it in a very accelerated way. I hope and I wish that drug should come out as early as possible, so that the whole humanity will be happy and also come out of this pandemic. Recently, Russia has given one drug, and it is applied to the daughter of the Russian president also. Similar drugs should come out from India also for in a cost-effective way. Some company, Bharat Biotech, has announced we are going to prepare a very cost-effective drug which is almost equal to the cost of water. So this is a very welcoming step. I hope and I wish these drug companies will take care of the cost-effectiveness, especially in India, and come out very early. And trials should be in a large way, so that there won't be any side effects on this. So this they can take the help of artificial intelligence in the trials also, in the testing pattern also. I wish all these companies should come out very early to save the humankind from this pandemic. And really congratulate the biotechnology department headed by Venkateswarlu and Krupanidhi. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.